breakfast niya. Oh my goodness. It's our hotel in Taiwan, Coco Hotel. Today, breakfast muna kami sa baba.
Well, if ever, or if there's another group of Global Horizon that comes, and then you're gonna be able to. Other than that, bye. Okay, so right now we're gonna be headed for Nantou area. We're now in Taichung, but the other places, the other lakes in other mountaintop dried up already. That's why it's the only existing one right now. Okay, so the whole Nantou area is roughly around 4,000. Whenever there's rain, the next day there's gonna be a lot of bamboo that's gonna sprout out because you can't wait for the bamboo to poke out the earth, or else it's gonna be bitter already. It has to be still, because if it's counterclockwise, it's moving more of an uphill. We would recommend people to take the one with the battery control. On our left hand side, this is the Chao U. Return that. So I'll distribute some disposable raincoat just in case it rains.
Ayan. So ito na yung punta na tayo ng lake. Ito sa may takay tayo. Yan. Tayo sa kabila. Tayo na. Yan. Let's go. Go up, go up, go up. Kakayanin.
Nasa galaan. Kaya kakayanin.
Okay, so for this, please stay at the plaza area. You can take picture while I check if there's anyone there.
Sige, sige. Yun, oh, ganda to. Ano ko muna to, mahal, ha? Video ko muna.
Parang ano yung lake sa ano? Yung sa lake sa Armenia?
Yes, yes. Yan. Ito na yung mismong lake. Yes. Yeah. Yan, Sanmon Lake. Okay, sakay na kami ng there. Sanmon Lake signage.
That's for the electric boat.
Yes. Alright. Here. Sa yung loob ng ano nila.
Because I think we have more cell phone in the lake than the fish in the lake. Okay, so the harbor area that we're departing from is called Shueisha. Okay, this is one of the very popular harbor area. On the right-hand side right now, the five-star hotel down below that is built on the side of the mountain would be Dalalu. The same name was a mythological story, but the holy monk was real. So holy monk walked in there for 17 years and walked back and then translated all the manuscript into Chinese, like Mandarin, that led to the boom of the Buddhism in China. So when the Japanese left China, they took the skull relic of the holy.
So ito yung driver nila.
Well, further back from the holy monk China is the pagoda on the right side.
Here it is. Yeah. Tignan natin siya.
But most of them would be at the Itashao where we're headed to in the Boardwalk. Okay, so the four harbors that we have, the one in Costa Hazard is not Salmon Shore, so there's going to be Shueisha where we can dock a while ago. Sao U, we're going over here, is Jakwak. And right now we're headed for Itashao. Itashao and original dialect means I am walking on people. And it's taught with two vipers protecting them. So you're like diamond. They also believe it's just like the eyes of their ancestors watching over them. So you're getting a lot of better with the Aboriginal. Feel like eating yet, I would recommend you buy the food, okay, and bring it to the
Alright.
so we can walk around, sit around, and then they try the food, and then we can bring it to the bus.
Ayan ang padak na. Alright.
We're here already.
Here. It's done. Alright.
Tokwa and baboy. This is balat, tokwa, and vegetable lang. Ito balat yung balat ng tokwa. And vegetable.
Oh, this one is nice.
Mamaya tayo pumili ng ano.
Mamaya na. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Hello. Okay, another 7-Eleven here in Taiwan. Sige lang. Wow. It's really nice, man.
Masarap siya. You can try.
Yes. With meat. Sige man, ano lang, isang pasada lang ako rito, ha? Andyan sa likod. Alright. So, akin na yan dito. Alright, done. Yeah. Sige, sige. Tama dyan. Ito na yung ano. Gagawa kami ng milk tea.
And today we do the DIY pineapple cake. And in front of you there's the bowl, and you can take a look. On the bowl, we have three of the shape. This one is the golden brown. Yeah, the golden brown. The middle one is the pineapple shape, and the last one is the island of Taiwan. And in front of the Taiwan, you can see the number. Please remember this number. Or you can take a picture because this is your own pineapple cake. Yes, and when the cake already baking, we will put into this box and we'll give you the pineapple cake. Pick the dough and go with it. Make it sharp. Yeah, make it sharp.
You need the dough.
Knead the dough. And then you can put on the table and make a long strip. Not too long because we have to divide into three equal parts. So as long as this length, yeah, as long as the same length.
Malagkit ha. One.
And then it will get when during baking. Okay, and then make it dry again. Make it dry. Okay, and then we can roll.
Okay, first one.
And if you're done, just leave it on the table and don't put.
XCD pwede naman ilagay dito.
Sige, ma'am.
Ah.
Sige, okay lang.
You have to make sure it's covered up kasi masusunog siya pag hindi. Yung mga nag-exceed.
Okay. What to do? It's already here. Done.
There. There lang sa gilid pa.
So, this is gonna be the finished product. Yung ginawa natin kanina. Oh, yeah. I made this. Okay. Everest duty free. Yeah. Okay, bubble milk tea making naman tayo. Kanina nasa pineapple tayo. Yan. Hello.
Next Sherty sa Metro Lab.
Wow, share too. Yan. Yeah. Sige, yan sa. Doon ako sa normal ulit.
Comes Everest Duty Free store. So here is Everest Duty Free store. So everything that you buy here is free. Okay.
Okay.
So tomorrow we can make some bubble milk. Have you tried bubble milk yourself?
Yes.
It's great, right? Okay, but it's okay. Today we're gonna make it. Then we can try it also. Smell it.
Ito lang mga man.
Because there's an additional brown sugar. Okay. Yes.
Yes. So this is the
Okay. So for example, we can open.
pour it here. Wala na naman. Mali na naman ako. Kanina may...
May assistant pa tayo.
Thank you so much. Alright.
Yeah, with the eyes. Yeah, with the eyes.
Oh, check nyo, check nyo.
Yes. Yeah. Good.
I know it's mali.
Now we
Kasi
can
nga nagbibideo
pour
kasi ako.
milkshake into
Kung di ako nagbibideo, tama yan. Now it's done. Bubble milk.
Naging cheering. Naging cheering.
Nothing is bubbling, right? There's a bubble, right?
Alright, let's go. Ito lang siya.
Meron masyadong